Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to put a diaper on for your newborn baby. I will be also showing you some tips and tricks. Putting a diaper on for your newborn baby is challenging. So after watching this video, it will be a piece of cake. So first thing, you need to have the right size of diaper. On the diaper package, you will see it says NB, means newborn. Now, every 3 hours, you need to change your newborn baby's diaper. But if your baby poops, don't wait for 3 hours, just change the diaper. The other thing you need to do is when your baby becomes maybe 3-4 months, he or she will be crawling, so it will be a little difficult for you to change diapers. And that time, when you lay down your baby, just let him or her hold on to an object, hold on to something that he or she likes. That way, your baby is not going to crawl away, and you will have sometimes to change the diaper. Now I will show you how to change diaper for your newborn baby. Now let me show you how to change the diaper. The diaper will have one end with two sticky parts and the other end is just a plain. So the sticky part will go under the baby just like this. And the other end, you bring it forward and you roll it just like that. And then on the sticky part, you take it out like this. And this side, you take out the sticky part and you put it like this. Make sure for your newborn baby, the diapers stay below the belly button cord. Make sure the diaper is not too tight, otherwise your newborn baby will have hard time breathing. The way you check it's not too tight is you put your finger like this. If your finger roll easily, that means it's not too tight. I hope this video is helpful for you and thank you for watching.